Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a meatloaf. This is 1.5 pounds of Impossible meat. Impossible Burger, it's 2 packages. They're 12 ounces each. I'm using this to make my meatloaf. You can use ground turkey or ground beef if that's what you want, but I'm using Impossible meat. Right here, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of the quick oats, 1 egg. These are going to be some spices. I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of an all-purpose seasoning. You can use any one you want. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I have 1/2 red pepper and 1/2 green bell pepper, 1/4 chopped onion, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay, let's put this together. So right here I have my quick oats and I'm adding my milk. Okay, and I'm just going to let that kind of sit together and absorb. Right here I have my Impossible meat and my peppers and onions, and here's my garlic. I'm going to add my egg. I beat it, okay? It's a beaten egg. Here's my Worcestershire sauce. And here's my salt, pepper, and my all-purpose seasoning. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my oatmeal. And I'm going to mix everything together. So right here, I have a small bowl. This is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And 1/3 cup of ketchup. Basically, it's kind of a barbecue sauce, sorta. But it's going to be my glaze for on top of my meatloaf. So now I'm going to add my glaze on top of the meatloaf. Okay, just put it all over. So I have a 400-degree oven waiting. It's nice and hot. And I'm going to cook this anywhere from 45 minutes to 1 hour. And this is my meatloaf. Look how beautiful this came out, you guys. Oh, and I'm telling you, this tastes just like ground beef or turkey. You can use either one. The texture, I don't know. I don't know how they do that. It has a very good flavor. Very, very tasty. So this is my meatloaf made with Impossible Burger. And yeah, if you can't get into it, go ahead and use turkey or ground beef. But it has a very good flavor either way. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.